Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today we'd like to talk about Zora, just the local updates, what's going on with this token after crazy 1000% pump. Let's dive in. Guys, market today, pretty green one, but I think we'll see some correction in the next 5-7 days, especially on BTC one more time, and the BTC dominance will be a little bit higher, so to 64%. So this is my expectation for BTC dominance. Zora pumped a pretty good one from the first zone of interest. You remember, if you watch it, the first video about Zora, I mark you all the zones. So this was the first zone, this was the second one. We didn't drop to the second zone and bounce it from the first one. So like you can see, the market makers build a liquidity here and pump the price. So no hype, nothing, just this is how the market makers work and deliver the price to the right target, like 10 cents, round number. And now we see the correction. So guys, if you accumulate it here, it will be not a mistake to fix some profit or withdraw initial deposit at least. The buy line at this current moment on the daily time frame, it's 1 cent 29. I don't think so we're gonna drop to the buy line now, but it's possible to see the correction. First zone, what we will test, it will be the minus 0.61 low above FIP, the 3 cents. I think for Zora, it will be around the test of the exit line above on the daily time frame, 2 cents 92. At this current moment, the lines are dynamic. After that, the test of the take profit line, and 12 time frame, like you can see here, the first touch will be here with this move or with a new all-time high. We're gonna test the buy line. Not a buy line, but exit line. Now on the 12 time frame, it's 4 cents. Take profit lines 3 cents 59. This is it. Buy line on the 12 time frame, it's 1 cent 81. Lines are dynamic. So I think we'll see something like this one, retest and go higher. So this is pretty simple targets based on just one single indicator, take profit. What we can see now on interest rate, like you can see the net inflow, just outflow from the Coinbase, some inflow on Bybit in 1 day time frame, some Kraken outflow, heat map volume, everything goes down, so the volume goes down. Here's a spot inflow outflow, like you can see. There's no main inflow now, so just fix a profit, whales fix a profit. So here you can check by volume and a net inflow in the last 24 hours. Like you can see, only the outflow from the exchanges, right? So so no new inflow into USD. That's why, guys, if we check on the weekly time frame here, we formed a huge gap. I don't think so. It's a monthly. We still not formed the gap. Weekly here, the premium discount zone. Yes, here. So 3 cents 73. It's a test of 50% of weekly gap. Fulfill will be much better. Of course, it's a 2 cents 27. Should we drop immediately? I don't think so. But I think soon we will see some liquidations. Of course, guys, it's just my humble opinion, my idea about this one playing out. So congrats everybody with the profit, but don't fall in FOMO, in aphoria, into talking which pump at 1,187% and trying to buy for what? So the time, everything should be in time. So time to buy was in a zone of accumulation. Now, basically, it's a zone of distribution. I can't talk to the moon, if there is no bullish signals right now. It is the direction. Here was accumulation. Now it's a distribution. So there's no basically crazy signals to buy. Can we form the awareness and go higher? Yes, of course. Of course, everything what is about 10 cents here was like 10 cents, 10 cents, 11. Just open space. Nobody know where the token will stop. And yes, we can go and form the awareness and go higher. But I'm more about the accumulation, drop to accumulation phase once again. 12 time frame here. We formed the crazy divergence here since top, based on ADZ direction, ADZ indicator, June 23, and new all-time high was like after 4 days, and the form divergence. This is it. The same story can be, now on the daily, but I don't think so. It will happen. So I think we'll go lower. Direction, yes, we still got room for continuation, but I think we will drop lower because on a 12 time frame we get a lot of signals to sell. So that's why the market makers, they need time to distribute their bags. It doesn't mean that this is a end of cycle for the Zora. Weekly time frame liquidations. So the main key point is here, like 5 cents 18 on the weekly time frame. It's on a Binance. If we check on the monthly time frame, the liquidation levels now for Zora also at the same level. So this one, and if we track the 24-hour time frame, we can see also the liquidations here is on the, so basically 58, this one level now on the previous day, you know, it's the main liquidations. That's why, yes, would be good to see something like this one, liquidate this one level, and this one. So 3 levels, what I would like to see, liquidations. So just be careful, you know, guys, with the long position, because here from this current one, it's even with the second leverage drop to the main heat map liquidation level, like 28% drop. So just be careful with the second leverage, guys. So be careful with your trades. Take a look, guys, other indicator like market mood. Definitely, guys, even on a daily time frame, it's still trill zone. People hype it, people talk about it, all social media talk about Zora, but time to buy being here in capitulation zone. Now it's A3. So be careful. Market needs to see the drop come down a little bit, and I think after that, maybe you can accumulate a Zora again. But of course, guys, it's only my thoughts. Based on the money power indicator here, money inflow was in June. Now, step by step, the money outflow, fix some profit, and no fixation, no inflow into Zora. The last indicator is trade on. Buy, take profit, sell, sell, sell. No signal to buy back or so. Even on a 12 time frame, only signal to sell, drop. If you trade with my customer cassette, you could open the good trade like 43% drop. Of course, you can say it's just after the candle close, but guys, you can nobody opened the position on 12 time frame. It's just like a confirmation. So here you could open, for example, trade on the 4-hour time frame, this one, and get a like profit 40%, for example, with second leverage almost 100%. That's it, guys. On 4-hour time frame, yes, of course, it's some small pullbacks, just bounces, but guys, I don't recommend you to hop into Zora. I'm not giving you any recommendation. It's not advice. It's just my thoughts on this channel. But time to buy was kind of in middle of June. Now it's time to fix the profit. Do I believe in new all-time high for Zora? Yes, I do. So guys, if you'd like to trade with my customer cassette, we'll show it in this video. Just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.